welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. So, it's been a little while, and I'm finally getting back into it. So, we got the stuff moved into the house and everything, but a majority of my garage stuff that my father took back to my hometown to hold on to because I didn't trust the movers to move it for me. So, I got all this stuff for the house, including internet now, so I can start editing, getting you guys some better videos. But the audio is still going to be iffy until all the garage stuff gets here. But today I got a product from Tack Life, and it's a new impact socket set. So we're going to take a look at the quality and what exactly it comes with, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This will also be included in my 7,000 sub gift giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming 7,000 gift giveaway video. So thank you guys, let's get into this. Okay, YouTubers, so this is the impact socket set that I got. It's an 18-piece set. The part number is HIS1A, so Hotel India Sierra 1 Alpha. It's gonna run you around $35, so really not that bad for an 18-piece set for impact sockets. This is from Tack Life. You guys might have seen my air compressor video from them. Also the battery jump starter that they sent me. It's one of the portable miniature ones that you know, you can use for charging cell phones or whatever, and you know, it fits in the glove box. Really nice item. I also did a work light and a camping light review from Tack Life. All really good products so far. I wasn't sure what to think about Tack Life when I first heard of them or first found out about them, but truthfully I really enjoy their products. They're cheaper products, but that doesn't always mean that they're going to be horrible products. You know, sometimes you find those great deals. So I've been really impressed with Tack Life as far as their quality for their pricing. So this set's going to run you $35. Nice little blow molded case. This is probably good for your do-it-yourself or weekend warrior. I'm not sure how they'd hold up to every single day use, but I guess somebody could find out. I mean, $35 really isn't bad. And now, first thing, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, it's not lifetime warranty. It's really weird. Tack Life does a little card, so which is nice, so you don't have to hold on to the receipt all the time. They always send you a warranty card with your product, and you just fill it out. And most of the products is like anywhere from 30 days to 6 months warranty. Well, this impact socket set, it's not lifetime, like I said. It's going to be a 24-month warranty. So that's something that Tack Life, I believe, could work on, is probably offering a better warranty. If they truly believe in their items, they need to try and do a little bit better with their warranty as far as tools, because everybody loves a lifetime warranty. So just want to get that out of the way so you guys know. Other than that, comes in a blow molded case, so if you're a do-it-yourselfer, this is going to be great. If you don't really have a toolbox, maybe you just keep some necessary tools around the house on a shelf or something like that. Blow molded case is really nice. Little plastic latches, not the most durable, but it's a nice little blow molded case. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Get you guys in. So it's gonna be a 1/2-inch drive set, and it's gonna go from 10 millimeter. Yes, they're coated in oil so they don't get rusty or anything in the case, which is nice. So blow molded case, $35. It's a black phosphate finish, so it's gonna prevent, you know, rust and corrosion and everything like that. So that's really good. It is a chrome vanadium socket set, not chromoly, so there's a difference. But as far as impact sockets, I'm really not too picky whether it's chrome vanadium or chromoly, as long as they hold up, you know. I prefer chromoly, but $35, that's not bad at all. So 1/2-inch drive from 10 millimeter all the way to 24. Sorry if I'm jumping around, guys. It's been a little while since I've done some review videos. You guys probably already know that, so getting back into it. They are all a 6-point design, and their design states that it is not only going to grab the fastener in the corners, but it's also going to grab more with the walls of the socket, so it's going to prevent that rounding off of fasteners, which is great. It's also got a nice deep broach. I don't know if you guys can see it in this lighting or not, but it goes down about 3/4 of the socket, so you can get some deep fasteners in there. There's positives and negatives to a deep broach. You know, if you're trying to hold like a nut of a fastener, in the end of the socket. It's going to fall down, but if you're trying to get at certain, longer fasteners and stuff, it's going to be great to have that deep broach. So there's a positive and a negative to it. The sizes, as you guys can see here, are very nicely laser etched into the sockets. It says Tack Life. The size, you can also get this in a SAE set. It's going to run $38, so a couple dollars more for the SAE set, which is kind of weird. It's usually the other way around. Then you got the CRV right there as well. Now the downside to this is it's not engraved anywhere else on the socket. So if that laser etched information comes off and you don't have it in this set, you might be guessing what socket you're using. But if you keep it in the blow molded case, it's got all the numbers here for you, and that's nice, especially if you use the crap out of them. You know what sizes are what on a rail. Even if it rubs off, you're gonna know. But I do think they could go ahead and just engrave the size of the socket one more time, so if this does ever rub off, you can still tell. Another great thing is this set. Usually when you buy a cheaper set, like let's say from Harbor Freight or something, you get a set that's always missing the sizes that you need most, which can be quite annoying. But this one goes all the way from 10 to 24 without skipping a size, so that's great. I already mentioned the 24-month warranty. You also get a 3-inch extension, a 5-inch extension, and a 10-inch extension, and they all do have the spring-loaded ball detent. The extensions also have the cutout right here, to when you put it on your impact gun, the ball detent right there. Better than using a normal extension, because using an impact, well, not only are you not supposed to do that, but without this feature, the extension could fly off and cause some damage. So it's nice that they included that in the extensions. They didn't forget about that. And it's also in the sockets as well. So that's actually a very important feature. Other than that, that's all I basically have. It seems to be a really nice socket set for this $35. You can kind of see the broaching in that. So halfway to 3/4 of the way down the socket. All of the sockets are going to be 3 inches, no matter what size you're using, 10 millimeter or 24. It's not like your bigger sockets are going to get longer. They're all the same length, so that's good. But that is the Tack Life 18-piece impact socket set, part number HIS1 Alpha, $35. That's not bad at all. Let me know what you guys think of the set. Also, be aware that my 7,000 sub gift giveaway video will be released here soon, and we will be including this in the gift giveaway. So if you're interested, please just follow the rules and you'll be enrolled for the gift giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.